Good morning. Anyways, guys, so I'm done with cleaning. Um, anyways, my morning is going pretty good. I woke up, didn't feel sick today, so that was a plus for once, you know. But I haven't ate breakfast as yet, so I know like once I put something in my system, I know that I probably will be feeling bad afterwards. So, but I have to take vitamins, so I don't have a choice. I mean, I could put something light, but I'm still hungry, so I'm just gonna be warming some leftovers from last night. Like, I actually cleaned the whole house today without stopping, because usually I have to take breaks in between because I feel so exhausted and so bad that I'll have to take breaks. Disrespect, ambulance, police car. Oh my god, that's a big lot. But anyways, hopefully when I'm done eating, I don't feel bad. So yeah, I'll come back on the vlog later. Child, let me tell y'all, I woke up this morning, like I woke up this morning, baby, and I felt amazing, okay? No morning sickness, no afternoon sickness. I ate and I didn't feel anything. Like, that. I don't know, like when you've been sick for so long, it kind of scared me. I was like, hold on. I thought I I started to touch my belly. I was like, are you know, are you still there, baby? Like, are you still there? Because, girl, listen, that kind of scared me a little bit. But yeah, I'm on my way to the grocery store to go and get me some onions. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. Um, I I don't know. I got cut short yesterday when I was vlogging. Interrupted. So I was talking about how I wanted to go to the grocery store to go get me some onions to make onion. Hold on. To make onion rings yesterday. I got the onion and the ingredients, but I still couldn't do it because, okay, I might have to visit the doctor before my appointment. But every time I go to the doctor, that's a fee I have to pay unless I go to public clinic. So I'm not feeling nauseous anymore or nothing like that. But I've been having this problem for quite some time. Whereas I'm like, I don't know if I have B12 deficiency or whatever, because I've been doing my research, and when I tell you my body is just not up to par, like extremely weak and exhausted. I can't do nothing. So I may have to take me an early trip to the doctor. Yesterday when I was doing trying to do my onion rings, I couldn't because I was too weak and it felt like I wanted to drop out, and sometimes I be feeling really dizzy. So yeah, I need to go in and talk to my doctor because I feel like I'm lacking something. I know I probably need to go on a healthier like I need to go on a diet or something too as well. Like, these symptoms has gotten worse since I got pregnant, okay? I feel like with pregnancy everything is 10 times worse. So like, I know I'm not supposed to be drinking this. I don't fuck with energy drinks. I don't drink energy drinks. I had to get a Monster yesterday. I drank half yesterday and I saved some for today. Now this is my second time drinking Monster in my whole life, okay? I had some in the past and it was really good, tastes really good. So I decided to get one yesterday. I didn't even Google it to know if it was safe or not. I just couldn't take it. Like, my body was, it just felt like I was half dead, okay? day. So I know I shouldn't probably drink that, but I feel like that's the only way I could get through my day. I can't really do nothing for myself, to be honest, because it's gotten so bad. Like, so I'm drinking this to try to, I don't know, see if it's going to help me to get more, see if it's going to help me to get energy to get through the day, like just to clean and bathe and just get what I need to get done just for the day. I'm not gonna be drinking this every week. Just wanted to try it. I don't know, probably not the best alternative, but I just can't take it, okay? I've been thinking about buying some vitamins, but first I want to speak with my doctor to make sure it's good to take. But I won't be drinking no more Monster after the day. This is just my first can. Yeah. Hey y'all, so it's been like a week since I've been on the vlog. Yes, I know that I do bad, but girl, I've been going through something, okay? So it's been a week, but I just came on here to finish up the vlog. I decided that I'm tired of looking like a hot mess, okay? I want to put on a wig today, put on some baby hair. I lay down some baby hair, and yeah, let me see how long I can keep this wig on my hair. I said to myself that I'm going to try and wear, try and fix it myself through the week, try and wear wigs, but girl, it just be so hard sometimes, but let me go in. I just came out the tub. Let me go and grab my wig. I'm going to do it inside the room. Yeah. Oh my gosh, so I'm all done. So yeah, I just came on here to show you guys the finishing product. To get up every morning and do this, I don't know. But anyways, I'm gonna make something to eat because I'm starting to feel bad.